On behalf of IMA Bhavnagar, I welcome all of you to attend this Garba workshop. Navratri days are going on, and throughout the India, Navratri is celebrated in different ways. Here in Gujarat, we do worship of goddess Ma Adya Shakti, Ambe Ma, by doing prarthana, doing arti, pujan, dhoop, deep, and doing garba, performing garba. Around the earthen pot garba, which is the symbol of universe, with energy, positive energy, players will play the garba around the earthen pot garbo, and that is symbolize the entire universe with full of positive energy. So these garba steps will be trained by the expert Mr. Brijraj Solanki. Let me introduce Mr. Brijraj Solanki. He is an actor, he is a model, he's international dance performer, he's a choreographer, he's fitness professional, he is the winner of title Boogie Woogie dance show in Mumbai and All India dance competition winner at Delhi Doordarshan television. Mr. Brijraj Solanki is certified actor from Anupam Kher Academy, Mumbai. He has performed in many films, serials, theater, and his many albums are there on the YouTube. So such a great artist, such a great performer is here with us today to show you various steps of the Garba. He will be teaching basic steps like Teen Tali, Char Tali, like Panchiu, that is with Dandiya, hand and leg movement by doing 4, 6, and 12 steps. And let me tell you, this performance of today's Garba, the demonstrating people are none of the other but our own IMA members. And many of them are from the EC, Executive Committee of the IMA Bhavnagar. All the steps he is going to show, the people, our members are going to demonstrate by using all the steps together. Sir, Brijraj Solanki has choreographed one Garba. And at the last, we are going to present that Garba to you. So I request all of you to learn the steps and stay till the end. So you can see how these beautiful steps are utilized in the composition of Garba. So not taking much of your time, I hand over to Mr. Brijraj Solanki. Thank you very much.
Ready? Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen present over here and on the screen, all across India. As you all guys know, my name is Brijraj Solanki, and today we'll be doing and making you learn the steps of Garba, basic Garba steps. Navratri, as you all guys know, it's very famous traditional dance in Gujarat. We'll not waste time and let's start. We'll be learning 6 basic steps. The first step will be hinch. The second step will be garvi. The third will be dandiya. And after that, we'll be learning 3 famous steps of Gujarat. So let's start and not waste the time. Bolo Ambe Mata Ki! Okay, starting from the leg movements, we'll be doing hinch. So first, take this position and take your right leg to the right and the left leg to the cross. Good. Again, same position. Then take the right leg, cross to the left, and again the same position. We'll do it again. Continuous. 5, 6, 7, start. Left and right. Left and right. Again, left and right. Left and right. Easy and simple. Now moving forward to the hand position, we'll be doing a clap and this. Clap and this. clap this, clap this, clap this, clap and this. After doing this 2 times, we'll be changing the hand positions from this to this. Okay? Starting from the front, 5, 6, 7, start, clap, 2, clap, 2, clap and up, clap and up. Again, clap, 1, clap, 2, clap and up, clap and up. So these 4 steps are the basic steps of hinge. We'll try it again. Combination. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start. Clap, 1, clap, 2, clap and 3, clap and again. Clap, 1, clap, 2, clap and 3, clap and stop. So we'll try this step with music. Ready? Play. 5, 6, 7, start. Good. Up. Yes. Good. Up. That's it. This is the first step, basic step of Garba, traditional Garba, which is known as hinge. Now the second step of traditional Garba is the Garbi step. Okay, it's very easy, very simple, but very effective for doing this. Okay, we'll be starting with the leg movements first. All right, so leg movement first, go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, right, back, right, up, right, back, right, up, right, back, right, up, right, back. When you take your right leg in front, take your left leg on the air. When you take the right leg on the ground, take the left leg in the air. Okay, doing it once again with the counts 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. That's it. Very good. Moving forward to the hand movement. Okay, so it's very easy, only 3 talis. Okay, like 1, 2 and 3. That's it. Again, 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2 and 3. Again, 1, 2 and 3. Again, 1, 2 and 3. Again, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Again. Okay, doing both the steps, leg movement and hand movement together. Let's start with the right leg in the front. Ready? 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, right. Good. Right, left, right. Swing your hands. Right, left, right. Good. Right, left, again. Good. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Again. Right, left, right. Good. Right, left and stop. Let's try this step with the song. Okay? The first song. Good. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, right, good. Right, left, right, good. Right, same song. Yes, same song. Right? So we did 2 steps of traditional Garba. One is Hinch and the second one is Garbi. Okay? So let's try this 2 steps combined with the song. The first, let's do without music on counting. Okay? Ready? First Hinch and then Garbi. All right? Without music. 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, left and right. Right, up, left, start. Right, left, back, right, left and stop. Okay? Combination of 2 steps. First Hinch and second Garbi. All right? Once more without music. Okay? 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and up. 6 and start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and start. Right, left, right, right, left, right. Okay. Music. Okay. Come a little bit back. Okay. Back. Good. Back. Good. Okay. Music. Ready. Okay, this was the 2 steps of Prachin Garba, which is Hinch, and the second one is Garbi. Okay, take your dandiya. So moving forward to the next step, which is played with dandiya in your hands. Okay, it's a traditional form of Garba, and we'll be doing it with dandiyas. It got ready? Yes. Face to face. Yes. So starting, yes. Starting with the first step, we'll do it hand movements. Okay? It is played with your partner, opposite to your partner. All right? So first step with hand, start with your right hand, cross to the opposite side of your partner. Okay? And another step with your left hand. Got it? Again, 2 steps, 5, 6, 7, start, right and left. Got it? Okay, the third step is going right, left by self. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, start, right, left and by yourself. The fourth step, again with the right hand with your partner. These are the 4 steps. Okay? Doing it again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start, right, left, self, and right. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, self, right, self, and turn. Clear? Interchange yourself. Okay? 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left by yourself, right, and change. Okay? And when it comes to leg movements, take your right leg up, then again back, left leg up, again back by yourself, and turn. Got it? Chalo, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, self, right, and turn. Go right, left, self, right, and turn. Go right, left, self, right, and turn. Go right, left, self, right, and turn. Is that clear? We'll try it with music. Okay, let's come a little bit back. Come back, come back. Yes, good. 5, 6, 7, go! Excellent work. Very nice. Okay. We'll repeat this step again without music on counting. Ready? Okay. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Start. Right, left by yourself. Right and turn. Go right, left by yourself. Right and turn. Very good. So this were the 3 steps of Prachin Garba which were used to play in the old time pastime. Now moving forward to the 3 latest 3 western steps of Garba which we'll be doing in the form of a circle. Okay, so please form a circle. Come on. Yes. So these steps are played in a circle. We have formed a circle, and for this step, you first have to learn the leg movements. We will be going always on the right side with all the steps. First will be the leg movement, which is known as Thes. We have to learn how to take Thes. Ready? So it will be like right, left, left, right, right, left, left and right. But in a forward movement, we will start like 5, 6, 7, start 1, 2 and stop, 3 and stop, 4 and stop, 5 and stop, 6 and stop, 7 and stop, 8 and stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? So this step will be the forward position, forward movement from the right side. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so this is the basic leg movement for this steps, Western steps of Garba. We'll be trying the step 4. It's very easy and very simple. First, you have to go forward with the 2 steps. This is 1 and 2. These are the 2 steps of step 4. Okay, again, we'll be doing it together. 5, 6, 7, start. 1 and 2. So this 2 step, you have to turn. Okay, so this is 3 and 4. Very good. Okay, so this is the 4th step. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, turn and turn again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Okay, this is step 4. So this step we'll be doing with music. Okay, rewind it a little bit and start. Yes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, Very good. This was the leg movement. Okay. So now moving forward to the hand movement. How the hand comes when we take this 4 step. Okay. When you take the right leg, take your right hand to the front and left hand to the sky. Clear? When you take your right leg, take your right hand and left leg to the up. Okay, when you take your left leg in forward, take your left hand and right hand upwards. Is that clear? This is the simple trick when you do this Garba steps. When you take your right leg, take your right hand. When you take your left leg, take your left hand forward and another hand in the sky. Is it clear? We'll do it once without music. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, turn and turn. Good. Again, 1, 2, turn and turn. Again, 1, 2, turn and turn. Again, 1, 2, turn and stop. When you take your hands upwards and in the front, move your hands like this. Make a flower with your fingers and your hands. Okay, let's try this with music. Ready? Go. 5, 6, 7, Come on, speed up. Yeah, speed up. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Wonderful. Moving forward to 6. We did step 4. Now we'll move forward to step 6. It's very easy. Start with your right leg, everybody. 1, left, 2, turn and stop. We'll do only half a circle, not full circle in this 6th step. Okay, come back to your position. Very good. Again, 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, turn and stop. Now you have to go back with your right leg. 5 and 6. This is step 6. Okay, we'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, turn and stop and back. 5 and 6. Okay, again. 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, right and back. Right and back. Okay, this is step 6. Okay, with music. And stop. This was step 6. So now moving forward to step 8. So we did step 4, then we did step 6, and now at the end we'll be doing step number 8. The 4th step in the beginning will be as it is. The 4 steps in the beginning will be as it is. Okay? Only the turn point is you have to go inside, outside, back and back after the 4th step. Okay? Without music, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, turn, go inside, 5, 6, back and 8. Clear? Okay, again we'll do it again without music. 5, 6, 7, start. Right, left, right and turn inside. 1, 2, 3 and again go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and again. Very good. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Inside, outside, back and back. Okay, let's try this step with music. Very good. 1, 2, 3. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2.
मेले मेले मोर लड़ी हेले चढ़ी कदी घूंघटनी आडमा मलकी पड़े कदी घूंघटनी आडमा मलकी पड़े पापनोनी की लाड़की झलकी पड़े
Eight. Very good. In the Western, did step 6. First is 4, then 6, then 8. Okay. Before that, we did Prachin Garba, which was the first step is hinge. Okay, this step. The second step was Garba step. Okay, and the third step was India. All right. So we'll be revising all the 6 steps again without music and also with music. Okay? Chalo. 5, we'll start. Okay? Yes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and up. 6 and again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and up. 6 and up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7. Stop. Okay. This was step hinge. The second step is Garbi. Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 7. Stop. Okay. After that, it were dandiyas. Okay. So me only take dandiya. Don't worry. You guys stay as it is. Okay. 3, 5, 6, 7. Start. Right, left, self, right, and turn. Go right, left, self, right, and turn. Go right, left, self, right, and turn. After that, we did step number 4. Okay, so we'll show them step number 4 only twice. Or without music. 5, please follow me. 5, 6, start. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, and stop. This is step number 4. Now we'll be trying step number 6. Good. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, and back. 5, and again. Good. 1, 2, 3, and back. 5 and 6. This was step 6. Now we'll be doing step 8. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go inside. 5, 6, 7, and again. Good. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop. Very good. So this was the 6 steps of basic Garba. I hope you guys have learned it, observed it, and will try to perform it in any events. So first step was Hinch, second step was Garbi, third step was Dandiya, fourth step was fourth, another step, fifth step was sixth, and the last was step number 8. So this all steps in combined, we have prepared a song for you guys. We have prepared a dance for you guys of Prachin and Western Garba, combination of both the steps. So let's try this, watch this. Let's take the position, guys. Come on. Chalo, ready?
સજ્જડ બમ પાંજરો પહોળું થયું ભાગ્યો રે ઢોલ બાઈ ભાગ્યો રે ઢોલ મારા મીઠાના રણમાં ભાગ્યો રે
तो कटला हुला विस्कान के तो कटला हुला कान के तो कटला हुला विस्कान के तो कटला हुला मन फटा दला अब फटा दला दिखा मोरलियूं आई मन फटा दला दिखा मोरलियूं आई जिनी जिनी मोरलियूं कैसे जिनी जिनी मोरलियूं कैसे
Okay, so that was the training of Garba steps and performance by using all the steps Mr. Brijraj Solanki taught us today. I request Archana Madam to felicitate today's trainer, Mr. Brijraj Solanki.
Madam, before I think we felicitate, I think your team was fantabulous. Mr. Solanki, you were fantabulous. And I think this brought back a lot of nostalgia, lot of memories. We used to play Garba so many years back, and I think medicine made us leave lot many things behind. We left behind lot many things. I think you people in Gujarat must be enjoying still every year. But this COVID has brought in Maharashtra, we have got a complete ban on playing Garbas. We are not even allowed in our terraces or, in our housing societies. So this was a complete reprieve, and your team is wonderful, awesome, energetic, and too good. A big round of applause for everybody. I mean, I think everyone present over here has just enjoyed it. And I think everybody's looking forward to a chance to get together and, start dancing on these Garba steps. But before this, I would invite our national president, sir, who has joined us, Dr. J. Jailal, sir, to please say a few words, sir. I'll just remove the spotlight so that sir can be seen. Just give me a minute. Jailal, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much for, I just joined for the last 15 minutes. I'm just traveling from Goa to Ponta. So that is a little hilly area. I mean, that is a very natural area. I'm not able to get the connection back. But I have just seen the steps of that, this project which you are making. I think by this, by out of the box, thinking of this out of the box activities of the cultural committee, I'm sure you will make all of us to dance to the tunes of this Navaratri festival. And everyone is learning this. I especially appreciate the Bhavnagar branch also. The team was doing perfectly well. It was each step was easy for the people to understand, and they were able to follow it. It was a very lovely program which doing. I must especially appreciate Dr. Anita, the convener. Dr. Pate and all other members of the cultural committee for their excellent coordination and cooperation. At this moment, I also want to appreciate you for the Sargam, the dance and the music competitions which you are organizing. So I think now the last few days, I have visited almost 7-8 states. Everywhere this influence has gone. Everybody is talking about the Sargam festival and the cultural activity. So that is the fact. So the credit goes to Dr. and for making this mind of the. So that is a great thing. So I'm especially thankful to the team for doing a wonderful job. Especially on the Navaratri, everybody is enjoying this cultural new idea. I'm sure this will be happening. I just saw here the last Madam Archana Madam or Anita was saying that this will make the people to dance. I will also looking forward to see both Dr. Anita and Archana and others are also dancing to the tunes, and we will witness that with the clap for their excellent work they are doing. Thank you very much. All the best and continue the program.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. And I'm sure my entire cultural team, the vibrant cultural team, is looking forward to enjoy a session on Garba and Dandiya along with the team of IMA Bhavnagar. So we request IMA Bhavnagar to please arrange for something and call all of us there. We are just one step away to come there. Thank you so
Madam,
much.
and everyone most welcome to come here during Navratri days. We'll enjoy together. Most
Absolutely, absolutely. We'll be looking forward to that. Yes. So, Madam, there are 2-3 questions. If you can just take it. Somebody's asked for one step. If you can just see that. What is Chikoti? Somebody's asked. I don't understand that, but somebody's asked that.
Chichuda, yes, step Chichuda. I
Yeah.
request Brijraj sir to give some idea about Chichuda. Over to Brijal, sir.
Hello. Yeah, it's Titoda. It's known as Titoda in Gujarati. The first step, which was known as H, we did that. Everyone did that, which was a traditional form of Garba. Women and men used to play this step in the past days. Okay, so once again, we all will do that step and show you what Titoda is, okay, which is known as H. Similarly, H and Titoda is one and the same thing. We did the first step. Chalo, 5, 6, 7, start, right, left, left and right, right, up, left, up. Again, right, left, left and right, right, up, left, up. So this is H as well as Titoda. Yes.
Okay, that was awesome. I mean, because somebody asked a question and I don't understand something to
Thank you,
answer of
Brijal,
this sort.
sir. Is there any other question?
No, ma'am, not that I could find. So from IMA Headquarter Cultural Committee, we absolutely take pleasure in appreciating and giving this certificate of appreciation to Mr. Brijraj Solanki for giving your expert guidance to IMA members and of course their families through this Garba workshop organized by IMA Headquarter Cultural Committee and hosted by IMA Bhavnagar on 9th of October 2021 under Beyond Medicine series. And we really appreciate the activity that you have done today. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, IMA Bhavnagar. A big round of applause to all of you. A very big round of applause to all of you. And thank you, Kairavi madam, of course. Because when I put forward this idea of taking this, can we do a Garba workshop? Kairavi madam was really so enthusiastic and then she spoke to IMA Bhavnagar and I guess IMA Bhavnagar also took it equally enthusiastically. So yes, thank you so much Kairavi madam and thank you to IMA Bhavnagar and of course Dr. Sarvaiya, the president of IMA Bhavnagar. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you. A big round of applause to all of you.
Hello.
Over
hello.
to you, madam.
Yes. So first of all, I thank Brijraj Solanki sir for very nice, wonderful steps, fabulous steps he taught us today. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And the performance also was very grand. We all enjoyed a lot. Thank you, Brijraj Solanki sir. Then the entire event is sponsored by Nirmal IVF Clinic, Dr. Hitendra Nirmal, Dr. Hitendra Somani and Dr. Rupal Somani. Thank you so much, Dr. Somani, for sponsoring this event. Thank you. Now, as I told you, all these performances were done by our own IMA members, the members from IMA Bhavnagar. Let me introduce one by one. Dr. Manoj Patel, his gynecologist here, Paris Patel, Purvi Pawar, Dr. Nihar Puri, Dr. Maulik Parikh, he's the cultural secretary, IMA Bhavnagar. Jenny Shukla is the wife of immediate past president, Dr. Darshan Shukla. Dr. Vaishali Patel, Dr. Jatin Sarvaiya is secretary, IMA Bhavnagar this year. Dr. Srushti Vora and Dr. Riddhish Lania. We have Dr. Vipul Sarvaiya, president, IMA Bhavnagar. Please, sir, please do join us. And we have Dr. Chinmay Shah, vice president, GSB, IMA. So this is the team effort. Our all office bearers are always supporting whatever we want to do. All make a team and take all the efforts to do any performance, any kind of cultural activity. So thank you, team. A big round of applause for all of you. Thank you so much. I must thank the sound system, Dharam Bhai for the net connection, for the sound, Amar Bhai, Mahesh Bhai for the wonderful photography, sound system, Kinnari music, lights and decoration, Mahesh Bhai. Thank you so much, all the supporting team. Thank you, Indian Medical Association Bhavnagar and Bhavnagar Medical Association for providing this hall to perform this and for the practicing for 15 days here continuously. Always they extend their support, whatever event we want to do for the IMA. The source of our motivation, Dr. Archana Pate Madam, the chairperson, IMA Headquarter Cultural Committee. Madam, it was your idea to have this workshop, Garba workshop. Thank you so much, Madam, for guiding us at each and every step. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you for making it come true. Thank you so much.
I thank convener, I'm a headquarter cultural committee, Dr. Anita Madam, for always supporting us for this workshop.
Thank you, Kairavi.
Thank you, respected, I'm a national president, Dr. J.A. Jayalal sir, and respected Dr. Jayesh Lele sir, the honorary secretary sir, for allowing us to perform this workshop over here at IMA Bhavnagar. Thank you, IMA President, Dr. Vipul Saravaya, Dr. Chinmay Shah, our senior IMA team members, Dr. Ketan Patel, Bhavnagar Medical Association, Dr. Bharatbhai Trivedi, Dr. Kanani Saib, for supporting us always. Last but not the least, you all wonderful audience. We could see the enthusiasm with which you were viewing all the steps, and you were performing, some of them were performing along with this workshop. Thank you so much, audience, for motivating us. On behalf of IMA Bhavnagar, we thank you all and happy Navaratri to all, and welcome to Gujarat, to Bhavnagar, to play Garba during any of the Navaratri days. We organize here at IMA Bhavnagar ground only our own IMA Garba for the 3 days of Navaratri nights. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Madam, I think we should have done it before and we missed on it. We invite our president, your IMA Bhavnagar president, to please come and say a few words, madam.
Big round of applause for our own Kairavi madam for taking this initiative, involving all of us, putting trust on all of us. Thank you very much. Big round of applause for you. Thank you.
Madam, please invite IMA Bhavnagar president, Dr. Sarvaiya, to say a few words.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Brijraj Solanki, for training such a wonderful session. All the participants and my team member, I'm very thankful to all the participants and my team member to make this event grand successful. All the members who have attended all over the India. So we are very thankful to all of them, and the special thanks to Kairavi madam, Dr. Kairavi ma'am, to arrange all this nice organization. So I thank all of them. We hope you all enjoyed, and we'll organize such event in future also. So hoping for your cooperation. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, people behind the curtain, all the supporting staff, all the resident doctors, all the junior doctors who throughout the practices as well as throughout this event help us a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you once again, IMA Bhavnagar and the entire team, Mr. Solanki, Kairavi madam, Anita madam, and my entire vibrant cultural team of IMA headquarters. Thank you, National President sir. Thank you, HSG sir. And thank you all the viewers of today's program. So we will end the session today. And with this, we invite you for our next session, as I said, on the 24th of October, which is Rangoli workshop. It is a Sunday at 10 a.m. We'll be having a Rangoli workshop, which is hosted by IMA Mumbai West. So everyone is welcome to join that. And with this, we end our today's session. Thank you, everyone, once again. A big round of applause for all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
On behalf of
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kairavi. Thank you.